ఎందుకు ఇప్పుడు ఒక గంట 40 నిమిషాలు వాడకపోతే ఏమైనా లింక్ పంపలేదు పంపే అలవాట్లేదు మళ్ళీ వాట్సాప్ పోవడానికి ఓపెన్ కావడానికి టైం పడుతుంది టెలిగ్రామ్ పంపించుకొని మీకు పంపిస్తాను పంపించాలా అలా వాట్సాప్ ఫోన్ కూడా పంపించావు Sir, I admitted all members. 5 members. Total. 4. 7. అందులో అద్దె ఇక్కడ చేసి ఇక్కడ వేసి అక్కడ అడ్మిట్ పడుతుంది అంటే మరి జాయిన్ కాలేదు ఇంకా ఉన్నారు ఫోన్ చేయండి మీకు కావాలి ఇంకిద్దరు రావాలి 7 ఫోన్ సరే ఇక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ అడ్మిట్ అని వచ్చాను హలో ఏంటంటే ఎక్కడన్నా ఏం చేస్తా నాన్న లేడా కటింగ్ వెళ్ళిందా ఎవరితోనే ఎప్పుడు తిరుగుతాను ఎవరు 10th క్లాస్ వాడు ఏమనుకుంటానేమో నాకైతే ఏమర్థం అవుతుంది సరే మా అల్లుడు సార్ 50,000 ఫీజు ఎక్కడ హైదరాబాద్ ఉంటాడు మా ఊరు ఏ కాలేజ్ స్కూలే కేకేఆర్ ఓకే సార్
కలిపిస్తావా మళ్ళీ చేద్దారు అన్న
Okay, my dear student. Okay, my dear students, welcome to my class. So
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning and one and all. So I hope all are well. So yesterday we have discussed about the some activities. Yes or no? And
Yes, sir.
how to write down the chemical equation also completed. So chemical equation, how to write down symbols and formulas are using. Then write down the chemical equation. So that is the very shortest method. Suppose what equation there means in the calculation part and in the research part also somewhat difficult. So that's why the John Berzelius scientist name, the John Berzelius introduced by the some symbols and formulas. So these symbols and formulas are utilized to then write down the chemical equation. So today I am going to discuss about the very interesting chapters. Very important chapter. So very important part. So that is a balancing chemical equation. So this is very important. So balancing chemical equation. So it is a very important. So in our multiple choice question and other competitive exam also. Balancing chemical equation. So first of all, write down the one chemical equation. So hydrogen H2 react with the O2 oxygen to form a H2O water. So that is a water. So it is a balanced equation or unbalanced equation. So it's an unbalanced equation, no doubt at all. Why means the reactant side two hydrogens, oxygen side two hydrogens are there, but in the product side two hydrogens and one oxygen there. So this is the unbalanced equation. So this is the unbalanced. This is the unbalanced. So this is the unbalanced equation. Unbalanced. Okay. I will ask. Unbalanced chemical equation. So unbalanced chemical equation, another name also there, so that is called a skeleton equation. So sometime asking question, unbalanced chemical equation is known as what type of equation means, so that is the skeleton equation. Skeleton equation or skeleton reaction also. Okay. So suppose once you go to tabular formula, then you will be check this one. So first of all, number of this like to tabular formula. So number of atoms. So in the number of atoms, so LHS side and RHS side. So LHS side means so that is the reactants. RHS side means that is the products.
Products.
The number of elements. Right. Suppose hydrogen. So these let's say how many hydrogens are there? Only 2 hydrogen there. So 2 hydrogens. So now the product side how many hydrogens are there? So 2 hydrogens are there. 1, 2, 2 hydrogens. Now coming to the oxygen. Coming to the oxygen. So 1, 2, 2. So 2 oxygen. Now coming to the oxygen side only 1, 1, 1. So that is the oxygen. Now 2 plus 2, 4. So 2 plus 1, so 3. So balanced equation. So reactant side, how many atoms are participated? So equal number of the atoms are formed, the atoms are obtained, the atoms are formed. So that is called a balanced equation. So reactant side total 4 atoms are there, but in the product side only 3 atoms are there. So this is a unbalanced equation. So this is the Skelton equation. So Skelton equation is nothing but unbalanced equation. So how to get to the what purpose only do the balanced equation? Means in the calculation purpose it will be do the balanced equation. So first of all, you know the law of conservation of mass. So the law of conservation of mass, the mass neither created nor destroyed. Means reactant side how much the mass participated in the chemical reaction, the equal number of mass also forming. So that is the law of conservation of mass. So this law of conservation of mass proposed by the Anthony Lavoisier. So very, very important.
పైన సూపర్ స్టార్ మొత్తం 6 members.
So balancing chemical equation is depending upon the mainly law of conservation of mass. Means the mass neither created neither created nor destroyed. Not only mass neither created nor destroyed, but also the energy also neither created nor destroyed. So not only that energy, the atom also very, very important. This one, the atoms neither created nor destroyed. Means, so how many atoms are participated in the chemical reaction, so that equal amount of same atoms are forming, so that is called a balance equation. So this law proposed by the Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. So this Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, modern of chemistry, father of chemistry, modern father of chemistry. Very important. Write down these points. So balanced equation. So it is depending upon the which rule means that is the law of conservation of mass. So according to the law of conservation of mass, the mass neither created nor destroyed. Not only mass but also energy and some atom also. So the energy also neither created and nor destroyed. You do not produce any energy, any
Sir, I
mass.
am unable to see your video clearly. It's totally black.
What happened?
The
Hello?
board is not clear, sir.
Good. Okay, I will use another.
सर मैं वॉइस में तो स्टक कहता हूँ सर.
Okay. Just. Seven numbers. Okay. Now it is clear. Now I say what can Okay, good morning, children. So welcome to my class. So today I am going to discuss about a very interesting topic. So that is a balanced chemical equation. So once again I recall it in balanced chemical equation. So balanced chemical equation. Balancing. Write down balancing. Balancing chemical equation. So these balancing chemical equation. So depending upon the mainly which rule means that is the law of conservation. Law of conservation mass. So this law proposed by the Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. So this Anthony van Leeuwenhoek, so father of modern chemistry. Father of modern chemistry. Right. So what is the definition of law of conservation of mass? According to in physics law, the mass neither created nor destroyed. Means you are not generated any mass, you are not any mass destroyed. So that is the law of conservation of mass. Means the mass neither created. Mass neither created nor destroyed. According to the physics law. Same this law of conservation of mass, it's apply for the chemistry means. So the atoms also neither created nor destroyed in the chemical equation. The atoms are neither created nor destroyed. Means, say the chemical equation, how many atoms are participated, so equal number of same atoms are formed, so that is the balancing chemical equation. Suppose H2O plus O2 gives rise to H2O. So in the hydrogen, how many atoms are there? 2 atoms are there. So these 2 atoms are participated in the chemical reaction, means same 2 hydrogen atoms are forming in the product side. As well as, so now the oxygen. So hydrogen, how many atoms are there? So 2 atoms are there. Now oxygen, how many atoms are there? 2 there. So how many hydrogen atoms are participated in the chemical reaction? So same element, the number of same element, same atoms are forming the product side. So that is the balanced equation. Oxygen, how many atoms are participated in the chemical reaction? The same number and same element atoms are forming in the product side. So that is called a balanced equation. Now the hydrogen side 2 there. So this also 2 there. But oxygen's it is 2 oxygen atom there. Now oxygen only 1 there. So the hydrogen 2 and oxygen 2. So reactant side total 4 atoms are there, but the product side only 3 there. So this is the unbalanced chemical equation. So unbalanced chemical equation is nothing but a one type of a skeleton equation. So this is the unbalanced chemical equation. So unbalanced chemical equation is another name skeleton equation. Skeleton equation, right? Completed.
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. H2 O2 gives rise to H2O. So this is the unbalanced chemical equation. Unbalanced chemical equation is nothing but a skeleton equation. All right. So now you prepare for the one tabular formula. So first you write down the element. Element means already. Element means what? Anyone will say element? Element definition. Babu. Checker. Sorry. వీళ్ళకు అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తావా? అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని ఒకసారి ఎలిమెంట్ డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పండి బాబు. ఎనీవన్ వీడియో ఆన్ చేయండి. అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి ఒకసారి ఎలిమెంట్ డెఫినేషన్ చెప్పండి. ఓకే, ఎలిమెంట్ డెఫినేషన్. Element means same and identical atoms are చెప్పారు. Same and identical atoms are combined to form a molecule is known as a element. Very very important element. Same or identical atoms are combined to form a molecule is known as a element. Right, this side element. Next, another side you write down the one tabular form. So number of atoms in reactant side, number of atoms in reactant side. So this is the LH. Next to number of atoms in this is the product side. Yesterday already told you. So the reactants and products, how can you separate it means arrow symbol. So this is LH, this is the RHS. Suppose hydrogen. Now hydrogen you take means so how many hydrogens are there? Only 2 hydrogens are there in H2. And oxygen, this RHS said how many there? So 2 there in H2O. And oxygen 2 in O2. And 1 in H2O. So 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 1 3. So this is the unbalanced equation. Why means according to the law of conservation of mass, how many atoms are participated in the chemical reaction? Equal number of atoms are forming. So both reactant side, product side, equal number of same atoms are forming. So that is called a balanced equation. So in this equation, the hydrogens are same, but the oxygens are could not balance. So that's why it is nothing but a unbalanced tabular formula, unbalanced chemical equation. How to do this balancing? How to get this balancing equation? Yes. So this is unbalanced chemical equation. So in the question, so unbalanced chemical equation is known as a skeleton equation. Skeleton equation. Right. Completed. As a tabular formula. So how to get the balanced equation? So this is a hydrogen. So these hydrogens are 2 atoms are there. So this is called a subscript. Since the hydrogen beside it has some space there, so that is called a coefficient place. So this is the coefficient place. Coefficient. coefficient place, that one. So in this balanced equation only you change the coefficient place only. So don't change the subscript. So in the balanced equation you can change the only coefficient place. So don't change the subscript. Subscript means how many atoms are combining to form a molecule. So now two atoms are combining to form a molecule, that is a hydrogen. So don't change the subscript to anything. Only it will be changed the coefficient place only. So coefficient place you can change. So this is a coefficient place. H2O2 gives rise to H2O. So two hydrogens, reactant side there, two hydrogens, so product side there. So 2 give means so it is a, so 2 to the 4. Suppose now this place also compulsory 2 give means so 2 to the 4. Now the hydrogens are balanced, but the oxygen now again is checked. Oxygen 2 there and oxygen also 2 there. So now it will be balanced equation. So this like 4 steps are also there. So no need that 4 steps. So that is the essay question it will be coming. So this like coefficient number you can try. Suppose 3 number you keeping means it is not coming to the balance, means again goes to the another number. 4, 2, 1. That like it will be try and make. So this is called a trial and error method. So this is called a trial and error method. Trial and error method. Suppose another so this is the trial and error method. So compulsory you should change the only coefficient number. Don't disturbance, don't change the subscript and superscript. Just I will given the one symbol. This is the X. So this is the suppose X. X means nothing but a symbol of atom. So these X place, this is the write down coefficient. So this is the superscript. So this place is the subscript. Suppose you write down the H2. So this is the subscript. So the 2 there means so this is the coefficient place. Sometimes that ions are there coming, Mg plus 2. So this is nothing but a superscript. Right on this search. So very, very important. Only just it will be change the coefficient number. So could not change the subscript and superscript anything. Only change the coefficient number. Coefficient number is nothing but a equal to the mole. After science developed that place given the mole concept also. Okay. Completed. Hello, my dear children.
Completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you have any
Completed.
doubt, you ask me.
Okay, sir.
Compulsory. If you have doubts,
No, sir.
No, sir.
okay, video on cheyandi. Videos compulsory on cheyandi. Video. this is the trial and error method. Other 5 members, this is the trial and error method. So H2 and O2 gives rise to H2O. Questions how to asking? Question asking the suppose A, B, C. So what is the value of the A, B, C? Asking that type of question. What is the coefficient number of the A, B, C? So this like question asking means how to get in the answer. So you go to the trial and error method. Simple chemical formula giving means very easily get in the answer. But sometimes given in the a somewhat different question asking means how to get in the this one. Now this one do the one mathematical process. So how to get the mathematical process I told. Suppose N2 gives rise to H2O NH3. So question asking the answer. So A is equal to what? So B is equal to what? C is equal to what? So you go to the trial and error method means you have a lot of time consumed. So just you go to the mathematical method. So this is you take the A, so B and C. Listen very carefully. This is a very interesting compulsory question coming. This is the so A means so first of all you write down the nitrogen. So total how many atoms are there? Only nitrogen and hydrogen there. So A means so this is the 2A. So 2A. So the reactant side 2A means so the product side of how many nitrogens are there? Only C. You write on the C. Now coming to the hydrogen. Hydrogen means this is the 2B. 2B means the product side how many hydrogens are this 3 belongs to this one. Now 3C. Now you get in the simplify. Suppose let A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 means so 2 into A is equal to C. Now C is equal to 2. So now coming to the B. So 2B. Now C is equal to already 2K. So 2B is equal to so 3 to the 6. Now B is equal to 6 by 2. So 2 1 is 3. Now already A came and B came and C came. So A is equal to what? 1. Now B is equal to what? 3. Now C is equal to what? 2. So it will be substitute this one. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 3 and C is equal to 2. Now we check the answer. So now 2 nitrogens are there. So 2 nitrogens. So this is the one fit. Listen. So 2 nitrogens are there. So this side also 2 nitrogen there. So 3 to the 6. So 6 hydrogen, 3 to the 6. So this is the answer. This like do any other example or understanding. So this is a very important. So don't go to the any trial and method. First of all, you have learned about the trial and method, trial and error method. Then go to apply for the this mathematical way. Are understanding? Are you clear? You have any doubt? You try. Again, I will explain. So this one also. Another example I will give. Don't bother about
Sir,
it.
explain చేయండి sir.
Once I explain, huh? Hello.
అవును సార్.
Right.
చేయండి సార్ ఒకసారి.
First this is you write down completed. Right. Sir, 1 second. N2 H2 and S3. So what is the how to asking the question? So what is the value? What is the coefficient number of the this one? So A is equal to what? B is equal to what? C is equal to what? This like answer. First of all, the reactant side how many atoms are there? The product side how many atoms are there? Which type of atoms are there? So reactant side one nitrogen there and hydrogen there. Same as well as the product side also nitrogen there and hydrogen there. Say two different atoms only there. So one nitrogen, another one hydrogen. Very simple this slide right now. Don't confuse. So nitrogen this side there, this side, this side. Hydrogen there. Now the reactant side, how many hydrogen? So it coefficient number you take the A. A means these two also belongs to the nitrogen. So that's why I'm writing down the so 2A. So this nitrogen product side how many there? So C, only C there. This like. Now coming to the hydrogen. Hydrogen how many there? So this coefficient number B. So means two hydrogens are there. So this is a 2B. Next to ammonia. This product side how many hydrogen? This 3. It's only belongs to the